Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from an old faucet. You can also use a single tap for this project, it's just that I only had this one. Unscrew one hose, the one on the left, and leave only the one for cold water, which is on the right. We'll also need an obstacle sensor, and you'll need to solder a wire to it. To keep water off the sensor, use heat shrink tubing. Also for reliability, I seal everything with silicone. Now, using cable ties, I attach the sensor to the faucet. There is a recess hole at the back of the faucet, and I run the wire through it so that it runs alongside the hose. You'll also need an inlet valve from a washing machine. Insert the hose into the fitting, secure it with the spring clamp, and then attach it to the faucet. Now you'll need a mobile phone charger, take it apart and remove the circuit board. You need to solder wires to the board for supplying 220 volts of power and for the 5-volt output. Take any small box and place the circuit board inside, securing it with hot glue. And you also need to put a 12-volt relay module in the box. Drill a hole in the box and attach it to the wall. Attach the faucet to the sink and connect the valve to the water supply. Run the wire from the sensor on the faucet into the box. And also run the power cord. Then connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. This is how it all connects. Now plug the cord into the outlet and see how this homemade device works. When you bring your hands near the faucet, the proximity sensor sends a signal to the inlet valve and the water starts flowing. This homemade device is useful for me in the garage. With greasy hands, I can just bring them to the faucet and wash immediately. It's very convenient. If you liked the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thank you all, thanks for watching, and goodbye everyone.